arrange 2 or 3 block here. We will do front split. Then 2 block in your hand. Throw one more block. And 1 block you have to take it forward. Now back leg will be 90 degrees straight. Touch to the wall here. Right, straight here. Move your lane 90 degrees straight. Then come up, touch your heel to the hip, and 1 block is forward. In that you have to take your heel, toes up. Inhale, look up. Exhale here. Stretch down, stretch down. If possible, give it back. Try to touch your head to the heel. Again, inhale. Inhale up. Touch your heel to the hip. Exhale, second round. Inhale, up. Then exhale, third round, this. So 1 time forward, 1 time back. So use 2 block, that will be more comfortable. Side split, but both legs straight, height and thumb. 1 block here. You can check 1 block or no block. I first do without block. Take it here, feet, and touch to the wall here. Feet straight, toes up. Then here, exhale. Slowly, just take it down here. Stretch. Inhale, come up. Exhale down, push down, stretch. Here. Inhale up. Exhale, we'll do only 4 times. And in the end, slowly, just go to the side and press down here. Try to catch your ankle or here. Slowly come back. Okay, make sure that you are taking both straight. Okay, you can check here 2 block or 3 block, how much is comfortable. Leg straight, move chin. Exhale, go down, push down. Try to touch your 1 hip down and take your head up. Touch your head to the feet. Make sure your back leg is 90 degrees. Inhale, slowly come up. Hip up, touch your heel to the hip. Exhale, slowly down, push down. Now this time bend forward, straight down. Be careful with your knee. Be careful with your blocks, it should not drop down. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, hip down, then inhale, look up. Leg straight, try to touch your head to the heel. Little back bend. Slowly leg straight. Inhale, slowly come up. Touch your heel to the hip. Okay, one more. Exhale, slowly down. Now both elbow down, or you can straight both hands forward and hold that. Shin tai suan or thang tai, check if it is comfortable. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly come back here. Inhale.